honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is my outfit of the day. Starting with my hair, I have on the Agatha wig from the Janet collection. Anyway, I have on Angelina Tunic from ROAMAN'S. And this is from their new line for 2020. Somebody tried to buy an Angelina Tunic that I had on a few days ago. But because I've been buying these Angelina Tunics for so many years and years, I buy them every year. Every time a new line comes out, I buy them. So, of course, they don't sell the old ones anymore. So somebody was looking for a specific blouse that I had on. She couldn't find it. But that's why, because I bought it years and years ago. So they just come out with new stuff every year. So this is the V-neck style. Most of my other ones are rounded neck. Anyway, let me get my pose on. I have on, what leggings are these? Stretch leggings, also from ROAMAN'S, in the teal color. Okay, that's my pose. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye.